Welcome, marketing chefs. I've got something truly special cooking in the Omni-Channel oven today. It's the battle between AI and mankind, up next in the Marketing Kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, the Marketing Kitchen. Hi, I'm Ron VINING, your host of MarketingKitchenTV. Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. All right, this is a frequent question that I get about AI. Just because it's frequent doesn't mean it's not a good one. AI continues to grow each and every day, from its use in supply chain management, robotics, car navigation, etc. The limits of AI seem endless, and that's true. Do you think there are some things that AI simply cannot do as well as humans? All right, do I think that there are some things that AI cannot do as well as humans? And the answer is yes. We are quite unique. Whether you believe in a creator or not, humans, above all other creatures on the planet, have some really cool abilities. Remember, at the end of the day, no matter how smart AI may be now, or with machine learning may become, it was our brains that created it. There's some really amazing and endless things about mankind, humankind, womankind, all right, you name it. So what are the things that we can do that AI can't do? It's difficult to answer because it's subjective. But I'm not sure that a machine can ever feel. I'm not sure that a machine can ever love. I'm not sure that a machine can reason. But the reason I say that is because it's based upon an algorithm. And if you understand about how software or code is written, if you ever diagrammed it before, no matter how good AI gets, I don't think that it's able to take that leap that we do, the human brain is able to do, because of the fact that we are bound by our past experience, we're bound by our emotions, we're bound by our dreams, our hopes, our aspirations, our fears, things that make us happy, things that make us scared, things that make us feel loved, things that make us angry. In order for a machine to be able to reason the way we do, would mean that we would have to remove the core of its programming that makes AI work more efficiently than we do. Does that make any sense? What makes automation or makes AI so efficient is its ability to cut through all of those things that I just mentioned to get from point A to point B in a straight line. As humans, as logical as we might be, we're incapable of getting from A to B in that straight line. We take a different path to get there. And it's that path that changes the answer. I see that as the core difference. Some will say that they're able to infuse a computer with all of that. I won't say it's impossible. I don't know that it is possible. The question is, do you think there will be some things that AI simply can't do as well as humans? I don't think that AI can replace police. We've seen many futuristic films that have robot sentries. If you've seen in RoboCop how the sentry just guns down everyone because it sees one threat. Certainly a law enforcement officer is protected, but the citizens are not. I wouldn't want a drone to be a fireman, make the determination that it was unsafe to rescue a person, whereas it's the emotions and the skill and the experience of that fireman that puts his or her life on the line to run into that burning building and save that individual. I guess anything that is emotion-based as opposed to just pure logic-based. I wouldn't even, as much as I believe that the court system is too lenient on criminals, I wouldn't want an AI judge because there are other mitigating circumstances that should dictate a sentence, for example. I wouldn't want a judge or a jury to be AI based. I guess a lot of the things I'm talking about are government services, police, fire, legal system. Of course, military, I wouldn't want a fully AI-driven predator drone on the battlefield, because if it were given high-value targets and it was fully autonomous and it could take those targets out on its own, it might not consider other people innocents in the area, and collateral damage may not be part of its primary programming. The examples that are just coming to mind now as I'm answering your question are more civil or defense-based. Going to services too, healthcare. I wouldn't want AI as my doctor. It would make the determination that there are too many things wrong. You should not be given care, or whereas another human being may have compassion, do something differently. There's a number of instances where I would want this brain attached to this heart making the decisions over AI that could be found in a device. I hope that answers your question. There's a lot of other areas I could touch on. It really becomes a deeper philosophical discussion than it becomes a marketing-based one. Fantastic question and food for thought. If you want to follow up with another question, ask me at MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter with the hashtag Q&A. Ask me something more specific, and I will try to make sure that I answer that for you. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, there's always fresh content simmering on our storytelling stovetop. So whatever happens in this kitchen shouldn't stay in this marketing kitchen. I'm Ron Vining, your host, reminding you to invite your family and friends to the next episode of Marketing Kitchen TV.